hope you're all having a great day. For those who don't know me, my name is Juliet and I'm the Chief Mermaid at Julissa.co. We have a range of vegan, low toxin nail polish, and I've also recently started stocking these crystal massage roller, and today I want to show you. So I started Instagramming those, so if you check out our Instagram at Mermaid Julissa, you see a few photos of these rollers, and then I started getting a lot of interest how to use it, what's the best way to use it, do you clean your face before doing your massage. So I thought I'll do a quick video and show you how to best use these little crystal gems in your beauty routine. So first of all, let's look at the why or the benefits these rollers can bring to your beauty or skincare routine. I really love lymphatic massage, especially for my skin type, because I tend to retain water in my body really easily. So when I wake up in the morning, I get puffy eyes, under eyes, or even just around the face in general, like jaw lines, etc. These are all like toxins and water build up in your body. So these rollers are great for lymphatic drainage massage. What lymphatic drainage means is that you probably know, these are all your lymph nodes around your neck area, and they carry lots of toxins. So if you don't sort of exercise and flush it, your toxins would all be accumulated there. So using these sort of gemstone rollers to give yourself a great facial drainage, it's like a gym session for your face, what I would call. So it's like, giving your lymph nodes a really good workout, push away all the toxins and water retention that's accumulated in your body. So it's great for slimming your face, giving yourself a sharp jawline, which I really need, because my water retains a lot of water. Also, these are great just for a relaxation massage because these are natural stones, so they're naturally cooling. There are some wooden ones in the stores out there, but it's not the same, because if you actually put it in the fridge during summertime and then give it a good roll on when the rollers are cool, it's a really cool me down facial massage. So let's look at how to use these. So to start with, a lot of you guys have asked me, do I need to clean my face first? Is it best to use it in the morning or in the evening? I would say yes, absolutely. Clean your face, give yourself a clean canvas to work on, because that's the last thing you want, is to have dirt and greasiness on your skin and just have it carried around or over your skin. So yep, definitely start with a clean, fresh face, no makeup, and completely taken off makeup, and go with your usual routine. So I would prep your face with toner, and then I would use an oil or serum on your skin. So definitely moisturize your skin, because it would be much smoother when you do the rolling on your face later. I would recommend an oil that has a medium texture, or a serum if you're using one, because you don't want something to absorb really quickly or dries out really quickly. Then you won't get that moisturizing effect later on when you do the roll. So I'm going to show you an oil that we've got in our Julissa range. So today I'm going to be using this wild harvested raw and organic cold pressed turmeric oil, which is a lovely carrier oil, base oil to work with when you give yourself a massage, or it's just great for straight up on your skin. It's anti-inflammatory, so great for sensitive skin types, or great for any acne prone skin. They actually absorb quite easily, but it doesn't dry you out. So I'd say these oils like these are great for facial massage. So I would go with around 3 to 4 drops on the palm, and I would start with around your neck, hair away from my face. So a few drops of oil, and then start with around your neckline, and then work your way upwards onto your face, and lastly forehead. So I'll get this on both sides of my neck. And then now you're sort of giving yourself a smooth canvas to work on when you use the facial roller. Now grab your rollers, and I'm using this beautiful amethyst one here for the demonstration, and I'm gonna be using this small roller hat. To start with, work around your neckline. These are where all your lymph nodes are, so if you're sick, you'll find these pretty swollen. I do get that a lot of times when I get fluey or something in my throat. Use the smaller hat, and then start from just behind your ear loop. Give yourself a good long stroke. So always work your way downwards towards your heart when you do lymphatic drainage. Here downwards, on around your neckline. So start from this stem of your neck and then work your way downwards. If you haven't put on enough, serum or oil, it wouldn't be smooth to roll on. So you can put a few more drops of oil or serum if you want to. And then roll around your neck like this, downwards again. Do one side for a minute or so, and then slowly work your way downwards around or just above your collarbones. With how much strength you use, it's really entirely up to you. I would put a little bit of pressure on these. There are a lot of pressure points around this area that would help you really flush your toxins. So I would actually use a little bit of pressure, but it's personal preference. If you think that's too much, then start with a little bit softer and then work your way up. So a minute or so, and then let's do the other side. So again, start from behind your U-loop and then around your neck like that. And you can get pretty good grip as well from the wand. That's a pretty good hold that you can get some grip of. And after a while, you can start to feel that it's like after exercise or after a hot bath, you could feel that blood circulation has increased. There's something circulating around and you start to feel a little bit of warmth inside your body. Start with here just above your collarbones and then just underneath. With the collarbones, you can actually use the bigger massage head, so this side. And then underneath your collarbones there. Massaging around the collarbones is especially great for us ladies during period or before and after period. I find that I tend to build up a lot of pressure. That's just lots of toxins build up before my period. So it's just great to help you release or depuff yourself during that time of the month. So we've done our neck. Next, let's move on to our face. I'll start with your chin here. So again, use the small roller head, and for your face, what you want to do is upward strokes. Remember how I told you for your body, do downwards or towards your heart. That's the only part of your body that you don't want to roll towards the heart. It's your face or on both sides of your cheek. Always do upwards, otherwise if you roll like this, your skin will be sagging and that's not pretty. And it's the same when you put moisturizer or serum or any skin oil on your face. Always do the upward stroke. That's what you find when you go to beauty salon and do facials as well. So start from your chin, jawline. Again, I've prepped my skin already with toner, with a few drops of turmeric oil and with a moisturizer. But if you haven't do that, definitely, give yourself a smooth and clean canvas to work on. And then slowly move upwards towards your cheekbone. These facial massages is really great for releasing any stress, especially here around this area. If you sort of haven't got enough sleep, you get puffiness all around, and also your sinus area as well. If you're having a flu, these pressures all build up on the face, so it's a really good relief. And if you're using any oil or serum, it should help this serum absorb well onto your skin. And then under eyes area, these are really sensitive areas, so you probably want to go a little bit softer than usual. Obviously not too close to your eyes. And again, upwards direction. So again, a minute or so on one side. And then now let's move on to the other side. So again, start with your chin, upwards. Okay, now let's move on to our forehead. With our forehead, you actually want to roll downwards this time. Again, if you do it only in the opposite direction, you risk getting wrinkles and your skin sagging, so that's definitely not pretty. Again, if you use a lot of computers or have been staring at your screen all day, give yourself a great massage in between your eyebrows. Don't forget these areas between your eyebrows. You actually don't realize, but you build up a lot of pressure during the day by staring at a screen with blue light on, or if you've been wearing heavy glasses all day. So give yourself a good massage in between those brows area. These small small roller head makes it really easy to use on your forehead or in between your brows. They're small enough to get into those areas. And again, just work your way left and right around your temple. Here you go, you're done with your facial massage and you've given yourself a gym workout for your face. Yeah, I usually feel that's like a flush of toxins. As I said, it's like taking a hot bath, you know, you feel that your circulation, your blood, the toxins really pumping through. What's the best time to do it? It's in the morning or evening. It's best time for draining your lymph nodes. Morning, you know, after you clean, moisturize, and then give yourself a facial massage with the rollers, 5 minutes or so, and then before bedtime as well. Say like if you're too hectic in the morning, to squeeze in that 5 minutes of self-care, do it before bedtime. Seriously, it's the best thing you ever do to your skin. And I sort of love to set up a nice ambience in the room to really set up that sort of spa facial massage atmosphere to feel relaxed. You know, it can be like a mindful experience. I love, you know, doing like a short 5 minutes meditation before bedtime. So I jump out of the shower, give myself a lovely room spray. I made this with lavender oil and distilled water, and so I set up a nice ambience for yourself to really enjoy, relax, give yourself some self-pamper time. I love this spray, sort of spray my room with nice essential oils, fragrance that I love, that I could feel relaxed in. Light up a candle, have some crystals, set up in your room, and just block off 5 minutes on me time. No screen, no phone call, no kids, or you know, you can have your pets with you, you can have your cats with you, as long as they don't disturb you while you do this. 5 minutes before bedtime, after cleaning, moisturizing, give yourself a little facial massage, and if you do that every day, commit to it, I'm sure you can tell a difference. I started, you know, my water retention on my skin has improved a lot. The best way to care for this is not to wash with any water, because these are actually iron, so you do not want any water on it. So the best way to clean it is to wipe it with a clean piece of cloth, with a dry piece of cloth, and then put it away in a pouch. If you purchase online on julissa.co with us, I actually will send you these little mermaid gift pouch with your rollers, and they fit nicely into this pouch, and it's super handy to carry in your gym bag, in your yoga bag, in your overnight pack, or I put it in my handbag every day. So, you know, after gym, after yoga, I give myself a quick facial massage. Pop them back in a little pouch like that to keep it clean and dust free. So I've got the Opalite one, which is like a milky white one. It gives beautiful aura under the sunlight. If you put it under the sun, it actually gives you that golden reddish sort of glow. Absolutely beautiful. And I've also got the amethyst one here as well. Amethyst, it's a great healing stone, as you might have heard. It gives you strength in chaos and gives you that sort of calmness within your mind and body and spirit. So it's a great tool to use within your meditation routine. So if you meditate before bedtime, 5 minutes, and then spend the next 5 minutes using the rollers to give yourself a facial massage. It's a mindful before bedtime routine. It's a beautiful self-care thing that you could give yourself, you know, just spare 5-10 minutes every day to do this, to feel loved and open in your heart with the healing energy of amethyst. So these amethyst one is actually pretty heavy and sturdy, and again, it's this iron and metal, so it gives you that strong hold. So if you've got any other questions about using these in your beauty routine, let me know, or if you found any other way of using this, I'd love to hear from you. So follow us on Instagram, Facebook at Mermaid Julissa. We're at Mermaid Julissa and on julissa.co. My name is Juliet, so if you have any questions, or if you've got one of these from us and would love to recommend these to your friends, go ahead and do it and shoot me a message. Let me know how you use them, and I'd love to hear from you. So inspire me with future video ideas, leave me a comment below, and I'd love to chat to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.